Hi friends, did you know there are some easy ways you can make money on Fiverr without having to acquire any technical skills, without selling anything, without spending any money, and without having any prior experience in Fiverr freelancing? If you want to know how to make money on Fiverr using the method I'm about to share with you, then stick with me, because in this video I will show you 3 easy gigs that you can offer on Fiverr to make up to $100 every single day using Fiverr freelancing. The best part about this method is this method requires no money to start. This method works worldwide and it's easy to do. So let's get started with the video as I share with you exactly how. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and what I do on this channel is to make videos around making money online, Fiverr freelancing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and general make money online. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, like this video, and comment what you think about this video in the comment section below. So let's get started with the video as I share with you the first Fiverr gig that you can offer without any skill to make money online using Fiverr freelancing. Then the first skill we are going to look at today is language translation. As you can see, people are making cool cash here on Fiverr just by translating between languages from English to Spanish, from Spanish to English, from English to Portuguese, any other language they want you to translate. As you can see, let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, this person says, I will translate Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Thai, Vietnamese languages to English. That means this person can translate from each of these languages to English, and maybe from English to each of these languages back. This man is charging $10 per service, and he has sold for over 54 times. The second person says, I will translate between 3 languages, Arabic, French, and English. He's selling for $5 and he has sold for 3 different times. There are several other gigs here. If I scroll down, you will see there are many people, like thousands of people on Fiverr, offering these services and making cool cash for themselves just by translating from one language to the other. And I'm going to show you a free website that you can use to translate between these languages and make some cool cash for yourself for free without having any skills, without having any prior knowledge in Fiverr freelancing. You make money online. As you can see, this person is charging $10 and he has sold for over 5 times. And the website you're going to be using, I'm going to show you to use here, is Google Translate. So if you open a new tab and search for Google Translate, click enter. You're going to see that Google already has a translator that will translate between languages for you, which you can just copy the content that your clients are going to give you here on Fiverr. Once they contact these guys, and give them the script that they want them to translate from English to Korean or from English to any other language they want them to do, all you need to do is to copy that. Okay, for example, let me click on this gig and copy something and translate so that you see exactly what I'm talking about. For example, I'm going to copy this that say, I will professionally translate all languages into Bahasa Indonesia. So what I'm going to do is to copy this. I'll copy this, then go to Google Translate, and I'm going to paste this. Once I paste this, as you can see, this Google Translate has already translated this into Portuguese. This says, I will professionally translate all languages into, and this Google Translate has translated this into Portuguese. If you want to change this to Arabic, it will translate it to Arabic automatically just by one click. If you want to change it to Spanish, it will automatically translate it into Spanish. If you want to change to any other language, just click on the arrow you see here, and this will open up all countries and all languages in the world, where you can easily translate from English to each of these languages, or from each of these ones to another one, just in one click. And that way you make some cool cash for yourself using Fiverr freelancing. So that's one. The second one we're going to look at is increase social media followers. This way, companies and individuals that want to grow their social media following, their Facebook followers, their Instagram followers, their TikTok followers, They come here to Fiverr and they pay you money just to increase their fan base, to increase their followers on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, whatever social media network they are using. As you can see, this person says, I will promote your Instagram and increase followers growth. This person is selling for a whopping $85 and she has sold for 5 times. This person is selling for $50. This person is selling for $195. That's almost $200. And this person says, I will be your creative and professional Instagram manager. Okay, this one is Instagram, a social media account management. This person says, I will increase followers in social media. He's selling for $10 and he has sold for over 34 times. So the website you're going to be using to give them these followers without spending any money is a website called addmefast.com. And what this happens on this website is you go here and you follow other people's accounts. For example, this is Facebook page likes / followers, Facebook shares, Facebook followers, Facebook post likes, Facebook post share, Twitch followers, Discord members, Instagram likes, Instagram followers, TikTok, YouTube video views, Twitter tweets, Twitter followers, Twitter retweet. All these things are things you can do, and once you do these things, they will be giving you points. For example, I have 45 points here on my dashboard, and what you do is continue following or liking Facebook, doing all these little tasks, and you'll be accumulating points. Once you've gotten enough points, you will now go back to Fiverr, and once a client gives you their social media handle to increase the followers to that page, what you do is take that link, that Facebook post link or that Instagram post link, then come back to this website and add it here so that people will now follow that Instagram account, or they will like that Facebook post, or they will share it, all kinds of social media engagement. And that way, once they do that, Fiverr will pay you money. Your client on Fiverr is going to pay you money for bringing his or her link here and making people on this website to follow him or follow her or subscribe to the channel or like their Facebook post or share their post. Then you make money on Fiverr just by doing that for free, without spending any money, without having any technical experience, and without using any skill. So that's it about the second one. Then the third one is social media content. This is where people pay you money to create content for their social media accounts. Facebook post, Instagram post, TikTok post, all kinds of social media posts. And the website you can use to create all these kind of things, that like this person says, I will create your social media content. It's selling for $125 and she has sold for over 149 times. This person says, I will create your social media content strategy and media. It's selling for $100 and she has sold for over 63 times. The third person says, I will be your pro social media content creator. He's selling for $140 and he has sold for over 540 times. So the website you can use to create all these social media posts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all kinds of social media posts, is a website called canva.com, and you can create a free account with Canva and use Canva to create Facebook posts, TikTok videos, all kinds of social media content. You can use Canva to create them. So I'll put a link to Canva in the description of this video. Click on that link, create a free Canva account, then use it to create all these kind of things. As you can see, Canva already have pre-made templates where you can easily just edit them, change it to your own, and give it to your clients on Fiverr, then make some cool cash for yourself. If you click on where it says create a design, you can see that you can create several things: YouTube thumbnails, Facebook posts, Instagram reels, all kinds of things you can create using Canva. As you can see, YouTube banner, LinkedIn article, all kinds of things, flyer, A421 by 29.7, Instagram story, all kinds of social media content you can post there. For example, I'm going to click on Instagram story so that you can see so many pre-made templates that Canva already have in their store. So all you need to do is to click on one of them, edit them, change them, play with them until you're happy what you see. Then you can deliver it to your prospect or your client on Fiverr, depending on what they want. And that way you make some cool cash for yourself without any technical experience, without any technical skills. All you need to do is go to this free website called canva.com, create each of these things, or just edit them, then put it back to your clients, then make some cool cash for yourself. For example, you can see there are several templates here. All you need to do is click on just any of them. For example, this one, all you need to do is just change maybe the colors, the background, change the text to what your client wants, and that way you make some cool cash for yourself. After you've created these things, or after you've designed them or changed the colors and text to what you want to do, all you need to do is click on where it says share, click on download, and you can download this in PNG, you can download in JPEG, you can download in PDF, then supply it or give it back to your clients here on Fiverr, and you make some cool cash for yourself. For example, this person is making $100 every single time she creates each of these things, each of these social media posts, and that's how you make some cool cash for yourself online using Fiverr freelancing without having any money to spend, without any technical experience, without any prior knowledge. This is how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and let me know what you think about this video in the description below. See you in the next video.